Good afternoon, we're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog. Is this a one-man operation?
That's a one-man and one-woman operation.
We daily vlog, so if you like this video, come back tomorrow. We'll probably do something really fun tomorrow.
We're going to do something really fun. Today we're going to do something fun, but not super fun, because super fun means going to theme parks.
Yes.
Fun means staying home and packing.
Do you ever feel like somebody's watching you?
Oh, Eve!
Come here! Ah, you're such a good girl!
You're nuts.
If you want some melon, just let me know.
What'd you just say?
It's pouring.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
It's absolutely pouring. We're supposed to go, well, I mean we're going to.
What is that applause coming from?
Oh, it's my phone. A different YouTube video just turned. I thought it was like a chainsaw outside. It looks like Hurricane Irma outside.
Oh my goodness. But I think there is a hurricane.
Yeah, it's not a hurricane yet. It's going to be a hurricane.
Yeah, but I don't know if it might hit us.
It might. We won't know for a few days. We're going to go our last grocery shopping while we live here. So we're going to get like fun little ready-made meals so we can start packing up our kitchen.
Yay!
And we're going to get some bins.
And then we're gonna
It looks like I have no neck.
so accomplished.
And we have to go out in the storm first, so Eva's very concerned. We come prepared. We got our rain jackets on, and look at where we're parked. This is not safe.
On this car ride, I've seen more lightning than I've ever seen in my entire life.
This has to be I agree, like that statement goes for me too. This is the most lightning-filled storm I've ever experienced in my entire life.
And like, the long lightning that like lasts, like
that's spooky. I saw
a decent
like,
amount of seconds.
Like in Endgame when people start like dwindling away in dust, I saw that, but the lightning bolts were doing that. Like there was dwindling pieces of lightning.
Let's see if we can catch some. Wasn't very long until it happened.
Minimalist.
I'm going minimalist. These are good for lunch. Do you prefer plums or nectarines? I think you like plums.
Step one of any proper Brookhart project packing extravaganza is taking off these darn stickers that irk Sarah and I so much. You gotta get them off, and you gotta get them off cleanly and perfectly. Luckily these ones on the outside, smooth as can be. So we got these three, and we got two more bigger ones. These are gonna be closed when we go to Katie and Eddie's. This is an extra spare for tchotchkes. And we got two big ones for all the kitchenware.
Yep.
To at least get started. The boys have boxes of their own, and they said if they have any extras, they'll let us get them. So we're just gonna start off with these and see we can how much damage we can do.
Mm-hmm. They closed down their house, so they're like figuring out like their contractors finishing up, and then we're all gonna move probably Saturday.
Now this is the pizza that we thought we were getting, but we didn't. I foolishly just picked up the first one I saw from Sweden Earth. Corn, mushrooms, tomatoes, veggies, cauliflower crust, deliciousness. So what I've started doing is I started doing some of the dishes, and then I'm starting to start organizing the rest of the kitchenware stuff to go in those bins. And Sarah started taking on the challenge.
The laundry room.
This laundry room. And we're gonna put on our favorite movie in a minute so we can manja, listen to our favorite movie, About Time, and just start slugging away at all this.
Okay, here is my progress. So I know I'm gonna have laundry to do, so I kept the hangers there. That's all Eve stuff. This is easily packable stuff. This is gonna be the start of our cleaning. Just the food and a little bit of men's stuff. So basically done, ready to pack. Now Peter is washing every single dish on. Basically so we can wash the cabinets in the new place, and these will be fresh and clean to go. There's our cute puppy. And now I am going to wrap everything in rags and placemats and other fabric-y things that we have to safely transport and put them in these two bins.
Let's go. Okay, I've been doing dishes for what, Sarah, like 2.5 hours now?
Yeah.
Still going strong, but I had to show you something because as we're packing stuff away, little stories come. Oh, Eve, you okay? Little stories come back to us, and I found something in our like utensil drawer that shows something that I don't know if I've quite outgrown yet, but I definitely don't do it as much as I used to. But I am a little bit of a kleptomaniac when it comes to certain restaurant utensils. As you can see here, I have an affinity for small spoons and more so small utensils. I think it's really small spoons. I took this one. We were eating crabs somewhere, I think. But it's really all about the spoons. And you can see these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different size spoons, different styles from different restaurants. I don't know where they're all from. I could probably think of something like this is probably a sorbet. They're probably just little desserts, maybe from a high tea. I'm not gonna say that I still do it, but I'm not gonna say I don't still do this. But I don't do it frivolously. I must find a good quality spoon when I do it. I don't just take it just because there's a little spoon. I don't just take it. It's got to be a good spoon. All right, it's actually earlier than I expected we'd be done for the night. It's 11:22. This is what we've got. Now it may not look like a whole lot, but we're about to show you how awesome this is. These are 2 massive bins. That's like a 3/4 to a third full. This is pretty full. Sarah's got her feet up, kicked back with her tea.
And the last big scene of the movie.
Which this is the best scene in all of About Time right here. If you've not seen About Time, please do yourself a favor. Never watch a single one of my vlogs ever again until you watch this movie.
It's on Netflix, so there's no excuse.
Well, if they don't have Netflix.
Find a friend. You can log into ours.
Yeah, email us and we'll give you our login. It's in like 7 states right now. Alright, so what all of that was is like Sarah mentioned earlier, we cleaned every single one of those pieces from our kitchen. All little things you don't use all the time. Like little knives, little spoons, little mixers, a pie cutter. Everything got cleaned when they were leaving these cabinets into those bins. Wrapped in clean cloths. So when we get to our new apartment in just over 2 weeks, we'll be able to like put all the boxes down, clean do a fresh cleaning of the new cabinets, and just unbox and know that everything is clean. Clean dishes going into clean cabinets is gonna be great. But looking here at the cabinetry, that's pretty empty, but it's just like holiday storage stuff that we haven't touched yet, but it's like honestly maybe 10 things up there. All these cups are met in bends, so we're completely out of there. This is completely empty except for 4 plates and 4 cups. These are our last little tchotchke appliances. We're gonna get those later. Right here in this drawer, literally emptied out all of like the crazy fancy utensils except for the necessities and some of Matt and Ben's stuff. Same thing down here, just 1 cutting board and 2 bowls. All we have left is to clean and put away the pots and pans, but we're gonna figure out what else we're gonna use between now and the end of the week. And it's just late enough now. Now we can chill. We still have an entire week, and we planned out when we're doing the move because Katie's gonna be busy Saturday, we're gonna be busy Saturday. So we thought we were gonna move Saturday, but now we're thinking we're gonna move Sunday. So we still got plenty of time to like enjoy our time in the parks, enjoy our time absorbing the last few days in our first Florida home, and get ready for the rest. So it's like these little bits and pieces, as you've been seeing for weeks, have been finally coming together. But I got a package now, and I'm gonna show you what I got. Look at this beauty right here. This is the Ultimate Direction. It's the brand Signature Series hydration belt. So it's a super cool hydration belt. So like I mentioned the other day when I ran my 20 miles, Sarah actually met me on mile 14 with a big glass of water. So now this is a double Velcro on both sides, so it's super easy to adjust where it is on your body. This is the back side. Here's what the pouch looks like, and they have these 2 little strappies to put hats, socks, or shirts. A little button right here. Pop that. And there's 2 pockets. There's the main pocket, which has a soft half-liter water bottle, so you can put your water and ice in there. And then there's a zippy pocket here that you can put your cell phone up to an iPhone 8 size and your goo packets that I use. And I'll pass the camera to Sarah. I can show you what this looks like on me.
Fancy.
The cool thing about the race belt and the double straps is it sits at the small of your back so that it doesn't jostle, so it doesn't mess with your hips when you're running long miles.
Concerned pup.
But the cool thing about the double strap is you can comfortably adjust it easily on both sides. So it sits like at your waist. I got it situated right there, so when I'm running, it's not bouncing. It sits there, and then if I need anything, I could go back here and just be like, or I just loosen it some, switch it around, do my thing, get my water, get my cell phone, get my goose, and switch it back and start chugging along. So it'll actually sit on my shorts, so there'll be little to no risk of chafing on my body when I'm running. And now I won't have to wear my armband, and I've had some issues with bruising. And one time I actually cut off circulation in my arm when I was running once, and it, like, my hand started to swell because I had my armband too tight. So now I feel legit. I'm ready for my 50K almost in December.
What's this little puppy so sad for?
She's ready for bed.
Beef, wanna go to bed? Wanna go to sleep?
All right, last Monday of August, last Monday in the apartment, August 26th. Today's quote is from an anonymous person. Take risks. If you win, you'll be happy. If you lose, you'll be wise. I dig that a lot. We hope you enjoyed some of our throwback videos from in today's vlog.
Yeah.
Did a lot of good work.
So much good work. I feel so good.
Yeah.
I feel just like I felt good before this, but I know we're gonna have a lot of the weekend to like clean and finalize things, but like really just being able to like pack the boxes up and get them out of here is such a relief.
Yeah, and that means that we're gonna have a lot more relaxed time and more time to enjoy all the fun stuff that we always do. Not just like 4 days full of just crazy packing and throwing clutter around and throwing it in a storage unit and just leaving it, and then 2 weeks trying to deal with the mess. Like, it's going to be a smooth process out of this apartment and a smooth process into our new home.
Yep. I'm super excited.
Good job, baby.
Me too.
Ready?
Ready.
How many times have we said this? A lot.
I don't know. We just watched like our first vlog from this apartment, and it was like we can officially say
But we now live in Florida, so now we can proudly say
it's good to be home.
it is good to be home.
So
Good to be home.
it's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.